Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Amazon website at www.amazon.com. Sign in to your Amazon account using your email and password. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. In the Your Account section, locate the Your Payments option and click on it. On the Your Payments page, look for the section labeled Credit and Debit Cards. Find your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card listed there. If you don't see your card, click on Add a Card to enter your card details. For verification, click on Manage next to your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa. Review the card information displayed to ensure accuracy. If any information is incorrect, click on the Edit button to update it. Next, check the billing address associated with your card. It should match the billing address in your Amazon account. If it doesn't, click on Edit to change it accordingly. Once all information is verified, look for an option to Verify Card. Click this button to complete the verification process. A confirmation message will appear once your card is successfully verified. Now, your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa is ready for use on your account. You can start earning rewards on your purchases immediately. To check your rewards, return to the Your Account section. Locate the Your Prime Rewards option to view your accumulated rewards balance. That's it. You're all set to enjoy the benefits of your Amazon Prime Rewards Visa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.